Hi guys, another day, another client guys. So client pala natin ngayon guys, Ma'am Amy Baro guys. So program niya pala today guys, back workout siya ngayon guys. So una niyang gagawin guys, pull ups. So 1 to 12 repetition guys.
Space.
So pangalawa guys,
Nice.
yung
Okay.
deadlift guys. So dito tingnan nyo
Let's
guys
go,
yung
man.
proper workout ng deadlift guys. So gayahin nyo lang, lalo lalo na sa mga beginners guys.
3,
So 1 to 15 repetition din yan guys. So
4,
ang next gawin niya guys ay barbell row. So ganun pa rin guys, 1 to 15. 3 sets guys. Sa mga beginners lang yan guys ha. So ang next set guys, cable pull over guys. So ganun pa rin, 1 to 15, 3 sets. Yan guys, dandahan na talaga para ma-feel nyo yung tama na tina-target ng muscle nyo guys. So next guys, ito yung lat pull down. Yan, 1 to 15, 3 sets din guys. Yan. Pang last guys, ito yung seated cable row guys. Yan. Same pa rin guys, 1 to 15, 3 sets. So, thank you for watching guys.